everybody! Welcome to Fleur's Kitchen! Today I'm gonna do a special episode of Fleur's Kitchen because it is Halloween and I have my best friends Cole and Dan to help me. But where are they? I know what to do. Abracadabra! So what do you guys want to make? I want to make rainbow spiders. I want to make scary spiders. Rainbow, scary. Rainbow, scary. Stop fighting. Let's compromise. Today we're gonna make some rainbow spiders with fruity pebbles. And we're also gonna make some scary spiders with cocoa pebbles. Both are gluten free and dairy free. And we added some chia seeds and hazelnuts so they're extra yummy and healthy. Now these are our ingredients. We need some fruity pebbles and cocoa pebbles, marshmallows, vegan Nuttalex butter, vanilla extract, chopped hazelnuts, and chia seeds. Now let's get cooking! First, melt the marshmallows and Nuttalex butter over low heat. This will take a while, so be patient. When it is melted, take it off the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Second, add the fruity pebbles or cocoa pebbles, chia seeds and chopped nuts and stir. Third, we need to make our spider bodies. Take an ice cream scoop, coat it with oil and scoop out balls of cocoa pebble or fruity pebble mixture. Lastly, for the fun part, decorating. We need some strawberry laces for the rainbow spider's leg. Licorice Twists cut into strips for the scary spider's legs. Candy eyeballs for the spider's eyes, and melted chocolate chips as the glue. Don't tell Lauren, she's coming. Wow! That's my strawberry lasers, but there's so little left. Don't tell Mommy. To decorate, cut the licorice laces into strips about 5 centimeters long. Stick 8 strips on each spider's body for the legs. Finally, add the candy eyeballs for the eyes. Now there you have it, our dairy-free and gluten-free rainbow spiders and scary spiders with chia seeds and hazelnuts. Now which one should I try first?